I cannot believe you could be a flaming hot Cheeto for Halloween.
Hey Princess Squad, it's T here. I'm sitting outside my car, kind of melting because it's hot outside even though it's the beginning of September. I'm sitting right outside of Spirit Halloween and I'm about to go inside to look at some Halloween costume. But my main point today is to see if I can find the Grinch costume. I'm on the Grinch hunt to see if it even exists at the Halloween store. I mean, it's a costume, but the Grinch is Christmassy, but you know, they have the Nightmare Before Christmas here, so we will see if they have the Grinch there because they're slowly putting out more and more costumes. And they told me to check back, and here I am. Let's go inside and see if they have the Grinch costume.
Follow me inside Spirit Halloween. They always have the best Halloween characters on display at the entrance of Spirit Halloween. They also have so many costumes that you could pick from. Okay, first off, I do see the Nightmare Before Christmas. So they have this section. There's so many different costumes and accessories. Also have lots of decorations and of course plushies. I see lots of costumes. These are high quality costumes and masks. And then I see these inflatables over here. So my hopes are high that I am going to find the Grinch. I mean, I even spy Beetlejuice. A whole entire section of them. Lots of costumes, decorations, displays, plushies, signs, and even Halloween costumes for Beetlejuice. Of course, they're going to have an entire section of Barbie costumes and accessories because 2023 is nothing without Barbie, you guys. There's costumes for Ken, for Barbie. There's even Weird Barbie, this really cute crossbody clutch, a cute cardigan with sunglasses on the back. There's also a whole bunch of nails, jewelry sets, and necklaces and earrings, and a Barbie costume, and of course the Barbie box. I don't know what Elle Woods is doing in the mix, but there's that, and of course Barbie costumes for little ones, and this really cute trick-or-treat bag. I turn the corner and there's this random section, and of course I see Squid Games. I tried on the mask and it's kind of scary. I keep looking in this random section of random costumes, and do you guys see what I see? The Grinch! I can't believe I found the Grinch here at Spirit Halloween. I had no idea he would be here. He is brand new. He's an inflatable. He's perfect for Halloween and even perfect for Christmas, you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm adding this to my cart. And then I come across Bob Ross. I love watching Bob Ross growing up. This is really nostalgic. And then I found this random section of baby costumes. You could be a baby for Halloween if you want. You have a bottle, diaper, rattle. And then I saw this entire section of Harry Potter. You could be whatever you want to be here. There's costumes for everybody. There's even different wands to pick from. I found this entire section here separately next to it with different wands and accessories. And then Marshmallow, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I did not know there was different type of Marshmallow characters, but here they have it all. Next up, Ninja Turtles. If you're doing a group costume, this would be an awesome one. They even have this hard turtle shell, which was really interesting. If you're a gamer, they have an entire section for Minecraft. I am very surprised that they have all of this, but they are doing good Spirit Halloween. And then once again, more gaming, Fortnite, if you're into that. And even Among Us. These are inflatables and they look so fun. I just want to put one on and bounce around in it. This next one's a little scary. It's Poppy. I don't play this game personally, but I see a lot of people play it, so if you're into Poppy. And then I come across this Cheeto section. Flaming Hot Cheeto costume, you guys. This is so hilarious to me. You could be a Flaming Hot Cheeto girl. You could be a Flaming Hot Cheeto bag, or even Chester. Halloween would not be complete without Hocus Pocus. This movie is the definition of Halloween. If you want to be one of the sisters, here are your options. Now I'm coming across the scary section. If you get scared easily, click away. This is from the movie Scream. They even have this Hawaiian-like Scream shirt. And then Chucky. Okay, this Chucky mask is kind of scary to me. And they have a whole section of all the accessories and costume for kids and even adults, you guys. If you're into Chucky, go to Spirit Halloween. And then I found this really scary baby section of all these baby display that you can put in the front or around your house. They even have a cradle and this baby eating brains. Okay, I'm getting out of here. That is enough Halloween for me. I'm taking my Mr. Grinch inflatable and buying that and a couple more things. So check back to see what I got.
That was a success. I can't believe I found the Grinch costume in the beginning of September. It's not even like Christmas yet. Can't believe I found the Grinch inflatable. Can't wait to use him for Halloween and of course for Christmas. Today was a success. If you want more vlogs, follow here and my TikTok, and always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye.